This one's for all you scrappers that love to find the gold-bearing stuff. Let's see how hard it's going to be to get those pins out of these connector ends. You know, before we get to that part of the video, remember, no matter how tough your vehicle is, we scrappers abuse our vehicles. We put them through a lot. So don't forget the importance of doing some regular maintenance items. I had to take the truck in for some repairs. Let's take a look at what we did. All right, everybody, new tires on the mighty Sharkmobile. I went with the tires I had before, the Michelin Defenders. I was pleased with their performance, and they should hold up well for any snow up in the mountains when we get relocated as well. So I am going with this, and we'll see. Hopefully we'll get some good mileage out of these and not put too many nails in them. Well, with the end of the pollen season coming along, I thought it was time to go ahead and replace the air filters. I do that when I get my oil changed anyway. So here you can see why you need to change those air filters. I mean, look at that. That was all inside of that. And that's the cabin air filter. I mean, holy cow, I had no idea that was that dirty. And this one is the engine air filter. I'm surprised it's not as dirty as the cabin air. It's still dirty, but not quite as bad as what the cabin filter was. Kind of makes me wonder if they forgot to change the cabin filter during the last oil change. Oh well, anyway, they're nice and clean now, and the engine and me are breathing well. Now, let's get back to these gold pins. What do you say? Now, I haven't seen pins like this before. We've got some Phillips heads down there. Let's see. Let's get this one. Could it really be that easy? Look at that. Oh, wasn't that sweet? We throw that in with the metal bits. Now this block, this part comes off. What is this? Stainless. And I've got Molex pin connector tool. Let's get the wire off of here. Let's see if these will come off easy, or do I have to get the tool? We may have to get the Molex tool. Oh, they push back pretty easy. Yeah, there we go. There's some nice gold-plated material. Now then, can we, if we just push down, what do you think? Will they all pop up? Ugh. I mean, I got to be careful. I don't want to bend them. Because you see, with a Molex, with these kind of connectors, you can see there's this silvery looking part that's actually kind of a spring. So when you push these in, that pin holds them in place. Let's get the tool and see how easy that's going to be. So this is the one that I have. I'm pretty sure this is on my Amazon store if you're interested in getting one of these. Just follow the link that's down in the description below. And yes, I do get a percentage off of that, and I greatly appreciate it. We'll start in the middle here. So you can see that the way this works is there's a sheath there and a pusher inside. So that should just push it right out like that. There we go. Awesome. That's great. That is working great. I'm going to get these all wrapped up here real quick, and then we'll show you what we came up with. Well, y'all know me. I got to mess around with things, try to find interesting ways to do this. So I've got the heat sinks that I use to beat out the pins from some of the heat sinks, and this way I can use both my hands and move this along a little bit quicker. Plus, the pins are just falling down onto the wood block, and they're not bouncing all over the place where I might lose one. Some of them are a little bit tighter than others. Some pop right out. Some want to fight you a little bit. All right. Awesome. All right. Get the tool put away. Get those little plastic bits separated if I can. There's just some, you know, some of the plastic block that came out with it. All right, so there we have some nice gold-plated pins. If you're one of those gold recovery gurus, what's your next step? Leave your comments down below.